Here's how to check if your TV supports HDMI 2.1 or HDMI 2.0. So the first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and go behind your TV and you will see there the ports of the HDMI. So as you can see, this port is supporting EARC and ARC, which also a combination of HDMI 2.1 and HDMI 2.0. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is go to the settings or to the Google of your phone, and you can go ahead and search there how to check if your TV support HDMI 2.1 or HDMI 2.0. So as you can see, you will see the test features like 4K at 120 Hz. So if you see that your television is under that, it means that it is supporting HDMI 2.1 and HDMI 2.0. You can also see it at the very back of HDMI options of your television. That's easy how to check it.